Good morning students. In this video we are going to learn chapter 2 division. After studying this chapter you can divide the number of standard division algorithm method. In the previous class you already learned how to do the division by method of grouping in equal numbers or by repeated addition. Consider consider 32 balls are grouped. In each group 4 balls are there. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 12, like that total 32 balls are there. And how many group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 such a group. Therefore we can say that 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. Consider 10 balls. Consider 10 balls. 10 balls we can group like this. 2 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And total how many group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 group. That means 10 divided by 2. 10 balls and each group has 2 balls is equal to 5. Total number of groups 5. Also we can do the division by repeated addition. For example 32 balls, we have to find 32 divided by 4. For that 32 minus 4 28, then 28 minus 4 24, then 24 minus 4 20. Continue like this. In which step we got the answer 0. Subtraction is done in 8 steps. Therefore 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. Suppose we have to find what is 20 divided by 4. For that consider 20 balls. Total 20 balls are there. Then arrange each group containing 4. One group is 2, 3, 4, 5 groups are there. Therefore 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Or by repeated addition also we can find the answer. How to? First 20 minus 4 equal to 60, then 60 minus 4 equal to 12, then 12 minus 4 equal to 8, then 8 minus 4 equal to 4, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. In first step, second, third, fourth, fifth. In fifth step we get the answer 0. Therefore 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Number of steps, that is the answer. In page number 9, total 6 rats each, then grouped, each group containing 3, then total 2 group. Therefore 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Next we have to find 10 divided by 5. Consider 10 ducks. Arrange each group containing 5. Then we get 2 groups. Therefore 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Similarly 20 divided by 4, make a box each containing 4. Then total how many boxes are there? That is the answer. Do it as homework in your textbook. Next divide the following using repeated subtraction. First one I will show you, send you with your classwork, remaining do it as homework. First one 12 divided by 4, repeated subtraction. 12 minus 4 we have 8, then 8 minus 4 we have 4, 4 minus 4 equal to 0, we get 0 in third step. Therefore 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Also one more method to find the division. Suppose we have to divide 32 divided by 4. We have to find what is 32 divided by 4. We can group like this, or by repeated addition also we get the answer. But one easiest way, that is multiplication. We know that. We know 4 into 8 is equal to 32. Therefore 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. Answer is 8. Similarly 25 divided by 5. We know that 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Therefore 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Another example, 48 divided by 6. We have to find 48 divided by 6, but we know that 6 into 8 is equal to 48. Therefore, 48 divided by 6 is answer 8. Now we are going to learn division of a two-digit number 84 by a. We have to find 84 divided by 4 by a one-digit number. For that, first write like this 84, then like this. Here in this side write 4. We have to divide it by 4. Then first consider the digit 8. Then we know that 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Therefore that 2 write above 8, above the line. Then 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 write same. Now consider these two 4. We have 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Therefore write this one here. 1 into 4, 4. 4 minus 4, 0 is the answer. 0 is the remainder. Answer is 24 equal to 21. 21. Another example, we have to find 49 by 2. For that, first write 49 here, one line, another line, here write 2. First consider these 2 and first digit 4. What is the relation in multiplication 2 and 4? We have 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, write that 2 here. 2 into 2, 4. Write 4 here. Now now subtraction. 4 minus 4, 0. 9, same 9. Now we have to find the relation between 2 and 9, but we get 2 into 4 we get 8, but 2 into 5 we get 10. 2 into nothing we get 9. Therefore consider the smallest. That is this 4. Consider this 4. 4 into 2, 8. Now same subtraction, we get 1 as remainder.